Guys, so I guess this is a new video. So we just did what's it called, Pennwood State Park. So now I guess Talcott Mountain. All right, I don't know if I can survive this one, but we'll see. All right, people, so I don't think this was a good idea for me to do two parks in a day. Like my friends are like, way up there, and I'm like, way down here. Like I'm out of breath. I think I'm dying. But I'm still at it. I'm just gonna take my time. And eventually, I'll make it. So like we park at the other park and then just walk across, because we never knew how much parking is gonna be here, but that the parking is full, so it's a good thing we decided to just let our car stay there and just walk. Cause up here park up. But I'm about to head on the trails now, so hopefully I don't die. See ya. Hey guys, so we nearly made it to the top of this one. I guess this one is not as long as the other one, but there are like so many people. Wow. But I think we're about to make it to the top. I'm like out of breath. But I heard the view is amazing, so I guess we'll see that. Alright. So heading out to the park with that as the view now. Oh wow. Alright guys, so we made it to the top. As you can see, the view is amazing. I'm tired. The breeze feels so nice. I feel like I could just sleep, right? So now we lost the first one along the way. Yeah. We got another one missing. There was 5, it's now 4. So when they said we made it to the top, I thought we were at the top. And then for us to turn around. But I guess that's not the case. I guess that is not the case. But I guess we're about to head to the top now. Ah, that's a nice photo.
Yeah,
it's actually not bad.
Yeah. Like, I feel like people have cut it so that it's easier to.
I think that's the right here.
Yeah, that's like the best spot too.
Yay! What's up with the water? That's wet.
Well, it's until you've got the world on top of you.
So they told me we were at the top, like when we were at the view and then there, but we're still going. So
Are you ever trusting any of us again?
yes, people, so we finally made it to the top. I guess there's no more top after this one, right?
Nope, we are at the top.
So I guess it's just going back down. Can we do the helicopter thing? Alright guys, so if y'all think going up was hard, going down is the worst. I think my ankles are like giving away. Oh wow. Ooh. But we'll make it soon, Let me just keep that in my head. My ankles hurt. Ooh. And my toes. But I'm not giving up. I can't really give up because if I give up, I'll make a reach back to my car. So I just gotta keep going. See you at the bottom. So now the hard part to get back to the cars. I think I maybe can just lay and y'all just roll me down the hill. So it was indeed a good one. I think the hardest part about this was there's a lot of people here and you have to remember that you have to maintain your 6 feet distance from people because of all that's going on. Yeah, so that was a bit hard to do, but we made it.
Yeah.
2 hikes in a day. Like the last time I've hiked was like 2016. That's like 4 years ago. I'm taking myself and come to 2 hikes in a day, like one after the other. But I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I think I'll do 2 separate videos. So I'll post Pennwood State Park first, then I'll do this one. So if you haven't checked out that video as yet, please go and check it out. Yep.